Hello everybody and welcome back to another video, and this is Evoland. Well, this is the first episode of the game, so I hope you enjoy this game new series I'm making. So without further ado, let's start the game. The Evoland, I'm sure for some people they know what is this about. It is about a video game that is like this, evolving. Wink. One of the most amazing games ever in my entire life. In every game you need to evolve. In this game doesn't need to be like you're good at it. You need to be good at the puzzles. The one I can't do back in when I still have a PC that can play this. Yeah, I was that kid at the time, but now they oh, I'm getting sleepy. Just recording. Excuse me. Excuse me upon. Okay. Nope. Not yet. Okay. Save. Okay, 16. When I'm in the town, that's where I'm going to end the episode. I know. Ooh. Okay. Well, this is the storyline, I guess. Evoland, the short story adventure video games evolution. After centuries of peace and ancient evil, finally resurfaced to threaten the world of Evolandia. You are the one of few remaining members of the Order of the Dragon Knights, whose purpose is to travel the world, helping the needy and fight evil. Those centuries will basically mean you haven't found out all the this is picking up again. Okay, I didn't read it all, but you can pause. You can pause it when if you want to read it. Okay, we'll go there later. Okay, free movement, variety. There you go. Okay. Don't speak to children. Well then. Adults are not funny, they always complain about us children. If only I could eat the growth seed, I would no longer be a child. But the seed I found has fallen down the well. I'm too scared to get it back to the Alright then. My god. Okay. How much money do I have? Oh, 50. I do need to grind for now. Oh. I heard a lot of strange sounds coming out of the unknown caves. Thank you for the information, madam, but later I will do that. Let's little bit of grinding. Oh man, alright. This is a good one, so I can okay, let's check some of died in one hit. That's a pity. I think I need to do something in this place. Oh, okay, I forgot that. Oh man, I always forget getting some of the secrets and explore around the caves. There you go. Nothing here, I guess. Lordy Lou, where should we go now? I think this is the starting area. We will need to go there. Okay, nothing anymore, I think. Maybe not. Welcome to Papunica Village. Please enjoy your stay with us. Oh, a girl has visited us earlier. Is she a friend of yours? I think not. The crystal caves to the north are a dangerous place. It is said Kefka's ghost lives there. That no adventurer has ever come back to tell us. Well, we can, but there are quite strong monsters in the caves ahead. Oh, excuse me. We won't let you pass with your carnival. That was rude. Those are not fun. They always complain about us children. Only I could eat the goat seed, I would never reach attention. But the seed I found has fallen down the well. I'm too scared to get it back. It's too dark down there. Well, maybe. I will go there later, so for now I will get the new thingy here. Shopkeeper. Okay, bye. Okay, Phoenix now. Sleep and end the episode. I know this is short, but I'm so sleepy. I am so sorry about too much playing. That's right. So this is the episode for now, everyone. Thank you for watching, and bye bye. Deus Volt, everybody.
Of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our brave boys do know it, and banish all their fears. Sing a ta-row-row and a row-row-row for the British grenadiers.